Palapit dikit, palapit dikit. Atrasin na eh. Laro. Laro. Can you show it to them? That's the tail. And open this one here. And that is the heart. Now, see it, hon. Wapa! Wow. With batuan. Of course, with our chef, Randy. I think we're good. We're ready to eat. Oh, mayari na. So that's our chef. Randy, and very friendly guy, and we're ready to eat. Try soup. Start recording. How is it? Very good. She said very good. So right here, Tres Amigos, they cook very good food here. So come visit us here, Libertad Aklan. Bye. You're gonna eat.